As it's weekend, 5 of the friends plan to go to the restaurant. But 2 of them couldn't make it on time. So, other 3 moved to the restaurant, asking the other 2 to rejoin later. After entering the restaurant, the waiter comes near the 3 to take the order. One among the friend asks the waiter about the unique dishes in the restaurant. The waiter gives him the list of special recipes, similar to the concept of lists in Python, which consist of heterogeneous data. After going through all the dishes, 2 of them ordered the same chicken soup and smoky chicken, marked as multiple of 2 by the waiter. Shows the basic repetition operation in the list of Python. Quite a while, the other 2 joined them. 2 of them ordered orange, apple and mango juice, while others ordered the vanilla milkshake, blackcurrant ice cream, and vanilla ice cream. To cancel the particular items ordered by index, the waiter can ignore it, using pop. Nothing but removing the item indexed in the list. At last, if they cancel the orange juice, using the method remove function, and if it's removed means the other items in the list will change its position accordingly. Finishing their food, they ask the waiter to combine both the table's bill, represented as concatenation operation, in the list of Python. Receiving the bill, they check the items present in the bill, defined as membership operations, in the list of Python. One among the friends separates his bill amount to be paid from the total, which represents the slicing operator of a list.